As you know, the exam lasts for 60 minutes, and it is essential that you are able to manage your time well. You should spend around 20 minutes on task 1 and around 40 minutes on task 2. Remember, you will also need to set aside some time to both plan and check over your answers. When you are preparing for the exam, try to practice under timed conditions, as this will help boost your confidence on exam day. You can do this by setting a timer or an alarm when you are practicing. The exam has 4 different marking criteria. Task achievement for task 1 or task response for task 2. Coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and finally, grammatical range and accuracy. The marking criteria look a little different for task 1 and task 2, so I will go through them today. You will find a link to the full IELTS Writing marking criteria in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now, let's take a look at some important things to consider when thinking about the marking criteria. Firstly, Task 1 and Task 2 are graded separately. Secondly, the marking criteria for Task 1 and Task 2 are not exactly the same. Thirdly, it is important to remember that Task 2 is worth more than Task 1. And fourthly, the marking criteria are weighted equally and the score for the task will be the average. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our other videos. You can find loads of useful links in the description below. Let's get started.